Welcome students. Now let us see some important MCQs of elements of electrical material. Last unit is protective devices and switchgear. The main function of a fuse is what? It is to prevent excessive current. Then second question is on which of the following routine tests are conducted. D, that is all of the above, that means oil circuit breakers, air blast circuit breakers, minimum oil circuit breakers. Then SF6 gas is, it is non-toxic gas. Then the arcing contact in a circuit breaker are made up of copper tungsten alloy. Which of the following medium is employed for extinction of arc in air circuit breaker? Air medium it is used for air circuit breaker. Then with which of the following a circuit breaker must be equipped for remote operation? Answer is C, that is shunt trip. Fault diverters are basically what? They are fast switches. A thermal protection switch can protect against overload. Arc is in a circuit behaves a resistance decreasing with voltage rise across the arc. Thermal circuit breakers has a delayed trip action, that is first is the option. Then relays can be designed to respond to change in all of the above, that means resistance, reactance or impedance, voltage and current, light intensity, temperature. Then overload relays are of how many types? E, that means all types, that is induction, solid state, thermal, electromagnetic. Then thermal overload relays are used to protect the motor against overcurrent due to what? It is due to heavy load. Magnetic circuit breakers has B, that is instantaneous trip action. DC shunt relays are made of many turns of thin wire, that is C is the answer. The relay operating speed depends upon all first three: the spring tension, the rate of flux built up, armature core air gap. In order that current should flow without causing excessive heating or voltage drop, the relay contacts should have low contact resistance, be clean and smooth, be of sufficient size and proper size. That means they all have properties, all the properties. Circuit breakers usually operate under transient state of short circuit current. Then question number 19 is, circuit breakers are essentially current carrying contacts called electrodes. A current zero interruption in oil and air blast circuit breakers, it is achieved by both A and B, that means lengthening of gap and cooling and blast action. Air blast circuit breakers, it is used for repeated duty, that is D. An efficient and a well-designed protective relay should have a good selectivity and reliability, economy and simplicity, high speed and selectivity. That means all first three. A burden of a protective relay is the power absorbed by the circuit of relay. Then question number 24 is, directional relays are based on flow of power. A differential relay measures the vector difference between two or more similar electrical quantities. A transmission line, it is protected by both B and C, that means distance protection and time graded and current graded over current protection. Large internal faults which are protected by merge price percentage differential protection. Then question number 28 is, when a transmission line is energized, the wave that propagate on it is C, that is current, both A and B, that means current wave only and voltage wave only. Protective relays are devices that detect abnormal conditions in electrical circuits by measuring what? Constantly the electrical quantities which differ during the normal and abnormal conditions. The voltage appearing across the contacts after opening of the circuit breaker, it is called as which type of voltage? It is recovery type of voltage. That is, first is the option. Question number 31 is ionization in circuit breaker is facilitated by all first three, that is high temperature, increase in mean free path and increasing field strength. In a circuit breaker, the basic problem is to transmit large power. Overheating of relay contacts or contact burn out is due to what? It is first three reasons, that is slow making and breaking of load circuit. Then second is foreign matter on the contact surface. Third is too low contact pressure. Then question number 34 is interruption of large current by relay requires first three, that is arc suppressing blowout coils, wide separation of open contact, high speed opening of contacts. Shunt capacitance is neglected while considering a short transmission line. Question number 36 is the arc voltage produced in AC circuit breaker is always in phase with arc current, that is first. Question number 37 is the time of closing the cycle in modern circuit breakers is 0.003 second. Question number 38 is insulation resistance of high voltage circuit breaker is more than 100 mega ohms. HRC fuses provides best protection against short circuits. Question number 40 is the ground wire should not be smaller than dash copper, that is 10 copper. Then the question number 41 is the delay fuses are used for protection of motors. Question number 42 is which of the following is the least expensive protection for overcurrent in low voltage system? Rewirable fuse, it is the least expensive protection for overcurrent is low voltage system. Resistance grounding is used for voltage between 3.3 kV and IIK kV, first 11K kV. Question number 44 is the contact of high voltage switches used in power system are submerged in oil. The main purpose of the oil is to extinguish the arc. In railway application, dash circuit breaker is used. Answer is not given here. To protect the most of the electrical equipment handling low power, the type of relays used are C, that is both A and B, that means thermocouple, electronic and bimetallic relays are used. Then wave trap is used to trap waves higher frequencies entering generator or transformer units. Question number 48 is undergrounded neutral transmission system is not recommended because of system B, that is insulation overstress may lead to failure and subsequent face-to-face faults. Question number 49 is the reflection coefficient at the open circuited end of transmission line is unity. Question number 50 is for the protection of power station building against direct strokes, the requirements are interception, induction and dissipation. Question number 51 is the line insulation is the insulation level of station equipment. E, that is not directly related with. Question number 52 is the interaction between a transmission line and communication line is minimized by all first three, that is transposing transmission as well as communication lines, then increasing the height of transmission line tower, then increasing the distance between the two lines. Question number 53 is when a wave propagates on a transmission line, it suffers reflection several lines at sending and other end, that is D. Question number 54 is which of the following statement is incorrect? Statement A is incorrect, that is station batteries are used to operate relay only. B, C, D statements are correct statements. Discrimination between main and backup protection, it is provided by the use of relays which are slow. Question number 56 is induction cup relay is operated due to changes in current, voltage, impedance, that means first three. AC network analyzer, it is used to solve the problems of load flow, short circuit and stability. Question number 58 is which of the following statement is incorrect? Statement A is incorrect. Lightning arrestors are used before the switch gear. Short circuit current are due to any of these, that means single phase to ground faults, phase to phase fault, two phase to ground faults or three phase faults. To reduce short circuit faults, currents are used reactors. Bus coupler is very essential in arrangement main and transfer bus. For cost and safety, the outdoor substations are installed for voltage above B, that is 33 kilovolt. The short circuit in any winding of the transformer, it is the result of impulse voltage. Relays are used for phase faults on long time impedance. Question number 65 is for which of the following protection from negative sequence current is provided? Generators. Relay is preferred for phase fault on short transmission line, that is reactants. Distance relays are generally none of the above, that means split phase relays, reactant relays, impedance relays. And for which of the following rating of the transformer differential protection is recommended? B, that is equal to and above 5 MVA. A dash, it is used to measure a stator percentage winding temperature of generator. Resistant thermometer, it is used. Then question number 70 is the under voltage relay can be used for what? It is used for generator, bus bars, transformer and motors, that means all. The relay which inverse time characteristics which will operate within 5 to 10 seconds. Question number 72 is the single phasing relays are used for the protection of three-phase motors. Question number 73 is which of the following devices will receive voltage surge first traveling on the transmission line? Lightning arrestors are used. Which of the following parameters can be neglected for a short line? Capacitance parameter, it is neglected. Series reactors should have low resistance. Question number 76 is which of the following circuit breakers has high reliability and minimum maintenance? A circuit breaker with SF6 gas has high reliability and minimum maintenance. Arc in a circuit breaker, it is interrupted at zero current. Transmission line has a reflection coefficient as 1 in open circuit. What will be the reflection coefficient of the wave of load connected to transmission line if surge impedance of line is equal to load? It is 0. Question number 80 is the inverse definite mean time relay are used for overcurrent and earth fault protection of transformer against internal short circuits. Question number 81 is over voltage protection. It is recommended for what? It is recommended for first three, that is hydroelectric generator, steam turbine generator and gas turbine generators. Air blast circuits breakers for 400 kV power system are designed to operate in 50 millisecond. Overfluxing protection, it is recommended for what? It is recommended for generator transformer of the power plant. Question number 84 is series capacitors are used compensate for line inductive reactance. Admittance relay, it is directional relay. Question number 86 is the material used for fuse must have low melting point and high specific resistance. If the fault occur near the impedance relay, the VII ratio will be what? It is lower than that of it if fault occurs away from the relay. Question number 88 is the torque produced in induction type relay is inversely proportional to square of the current. Question number 89 is the steady state stability of power system. It can be increased by connecting lines in parallel. Question number 90 is the inductive interference between power and communication line can be minimized by both A and B, that means transposition of power line and transposition of communication line. 91st question is the power loss is an important factor for the design of transmission line, that is A. A fuse wire, it is connected in series with circuits. Then HRC fuse as compared to a rewirable fuse has no aging effect, high speed of operation, high rupturing capacity, that means all three. Question number 94 is a fuse rating is expressed in terms of current. Question number 95, the fuse blows off by melting. On which of the following effect of electric current a fuse operates? Heating effect. An isolator is installed generally on both sides of the circuit breaker. A fuse in a motor circuit provide protection against short circuit and overloaded, that is B. Question number 99 is protection by fuses is generally not used beyond C, that is 100 ampere. A fuse is never inserted in neutral wire. Oil and switches are employed for what? They are employed for high voltage and large current circuits. A switch gear, it is a device for what? For switching, controlling and protecting the electrical circuit and equipment. Question number 103. The fuse wire in DC circuit, it is inserted in negative circuit only, positive circuit only, that means both A and B. By which of the following method major portion of the heat generated in a HRC fuse is dissipated? Conduction. A short circuit, it is identified by heavy current flow. Question number 106. The information to the circuit breaker under fault condition, it is provided by relay. Question number 107 is to limit short circuit current in a power system are used reactor. A balanced three-phase system consists of what? It consists of positive sequence current only. In a single bus bar system, there will be complete shutdown when fault occur on the bus itself. All the best for your exam, students. Thank you.